I made a video on how to remove and clean the filter of this air conditioner, and I got a comment asking how to clean in here. And I figured, well, this would be a good video to make because this can get dusty, and over time it can even get moldy, unfortunately. The condensation from the AC, it just tends to do that naturally. So here's what I like to do. To get in here, I just grab one of these and pull it straight out like that, and it will unclip. Do the same thing to the other side. And I like to put it just like that above this one, at least make sure I know where they're going. And then I take the louver, pull the middle out, bend it like this, push it to one side, and then that will come out. And do the same thing on the other side. Now I can grab it here and then pull this side out like that. And then do the same thing with this one. Now with these, you can clean these by hand. You can take them to the sink. You can scrub them with maybe an old toothbrush or something. Don't reuse the toothbrush, that'd be bad. Now for the inside here, what I like to do is use white distilled vinegar. That will clean up the dust, but it will also help if you have mold in here. I'm not gonna say that it kills it 100% because that's a fine line right there that I'm not willing to cross, but that is what I do. And using vinegar, it might smell like vinegar for a little while, but that will dissipate over time. So I spray it all in here, and like I said, use a toothbrush, or you can use something like a pencil with some paper towels on it, with some masking tape, or a paint stick, some kind of thing to get in here to just wipe all this down. Unfortunately, styrofoam is kind of hard to clean, and that's what all of this is. And back here, the fan, you can get to it a little bit, but there's a whole section of this that you can't get to. I did make a video on how to take this thing apart and deep clean it. I'll leave a link in the description over to that video. But the less invasive way to do this is just like that. Clean it from here, get as far back as you can, use a toothbrush, or like I said, this to clean it as well as you can, and then you can put this stuff back in when you're done cleaning that. Goes in the opposite way, bend it out, pop it in like this. Same thing over here, like that. These pop right back on. Same thing over here, like that. Hopefully, if you were wondering how to clean this, this video will help. Thanks for watching.